Hello everyone, this is Anon from Anon Math channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at a very nice rational equation. The equation is x over x minus 1 quantity squared plus x over x plus 1 quantity squared equals 45 divided by 16. And we're supposed to solve this for x. So make sure to watch the rest of this video, and after that, if you enjoyed watching this video, smash the like button, and for more content like this, click subscribe. First of all, notice that whenever we have something like a squared plus b squared, whenever we have a sum of two squares, we would add 2ab so that the whole thing becomes a plus b quantity squared. We basically complete the square by adding 2ab. Now, if you look at the left-hand side of the equation, we have a sum of two squares. We have x over x minus 1 quantity squared plus x over x plus 1 quantity squared. Now, in order to complete the square, we can add 2 times x over x minus 1 times x over x plus 1. And we need to do the same thing on the right-hand side. So we need to add 2 times x over x minus 1 times x over x plus 1. And then we can rewrite the left-hand side as a perfect square. We can rewrite it as x over x minus 1 plus x over x plus 1. And then the whole thing squared equals 45 over 16 plus 2x squared over x squared minus 1. And then by getting a common denominator for these two, we should get x squared minus 1 on the bottom, and x squared plus x squared minus x on the top. And then by simplifying this, we should be getting 2x squared over x squared minus 1 quantity squared equals 45 over 16 plus 2x squared over x squared minus 1. Now, the interesting thing is we have this expression, and it's a square, so we can go ahead and set it equal to t. We can say t is 2x squared over x squared minus 1, and by doing that, our equation becomes t squared equals 45 over 16 plus t. And this should give us something like this. And then we can multiply both sides by 16. And then we can factor the left-hand side to solve this quadratic equation. To do that, first I rewrite the left-hand side as 4t squared minus 4 times 4t minus 45. And that means that if we factor the left-hand side, our factors will start with 4t. And then to complete the factoring, we need to find two numbers that add up to -4 and multiply to -45. And those two numbers are -9 and +5. And based on the zero product property, we can say either 4t minus 9 equals 0 or 4t plus 5 equals 0. And since t is 2x squared over x squared minus 1, we can say either 2x squared over x squared minus 1 is 9 over 4, or 2x squared over x squared minus 1 is -5 over 4. In the first scenario, if we cross and multiply, we should get 8x squared equals 9x squared minus 9, which gives us x squared equals 9. And then by taking the square root of both sides, we should get x equals positive or -3. About the second one, we should get 8x squared equals -5x squared plus 5, which gives us 13x squared equals 5. and then we should get x equals positive or negative the square root of 5 over 13, and then we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying both the top and the bottom by the square root of 13, and we should get positive or negative root 65 over 13. So we can express the solution set like this. Positive or negative 3, or positive or negative root 65 over 13. So this particular rational equation has 4 solutions. So this is it. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. As I said before, if you enjoyed watching this video, smash the like button and click subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Goodbye, and as always, I'll see you later in another video.